Hey guys, it's your girl, Four Wheel Fitness, and I am here with another really great ab and leg and really full body workout that you can do on the ground with your skates, using your skates as your 5-pound weights on each foot. So what I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna lay flat on my back. I'm gonna put my hands behind my head, and what I'm going to do is I am going to raise my skates up, and I am going to start doing a little bicycle movement or a little knee to chest or knee to elbow. So it is called a bicycle, but what I'm doing right now is I'm just rotating, bringing my knees, so I'm keeping my legs straight and up in the air for some resistance. And I'm also flexing my feet as I'm doing this rotation, bringing my knees up to my elbows, keeping my head elevated a little bit, keeping my core tight. I do about 10 reps of those, and then I take a little rest. You will love the rest that you get. And I do 3 reps of 10, or 3 sets of 10 of each of these workouts that I do every day. Now I'm gonna come back up, put my hands behind my head, lift my head and my feet, and I'm gonna start with my reps, crunching those knees up to my elbows 10 times. 4, 5. Here we go, guys. Good job. Keep going. There we go. Down and rest. And there you go, guys. I hope that your core is burning, you feel it from head to toe, and keep working out, keep skating, guys. Have a great day.